Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can leave a theme in Microsoft Themes if you no longer need to be a part of it. And by the way, the other term for theme is communities or community. So what you will have to do is of course open your Microsoft Teams, whether you're using your web browser or your app or desktop or whatever device that you may be using. So what you will have to do is either click communities or teams. So it really depends on the terminology that your version has. And now that you're here, you will just have to find the theme that you want to live. So for example, this theme right here, what you will do is click more options and head over to live community, which is right here. So what you will have to do is just click that and wait for it to load. And now you will be prompted to confirm the deletion, the uh you will just have to click live if you really want to leave the community. And yeah, that's basically just it. And by the way, you can rejoin the team later if invited again. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.